11, T-minus 10, 9, 8. We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have booster ignition and liftoff of Atlantis on the 4th flight to dock with the Russian space station.
Houston now controlling. Aboard Atlantis, preparing to throttle down now as the vehicle prepares to pass through the area of maximum dynamic pressure. Atlantis' velocity is approaching 900 miles per hour. The vehicle's already 2.5 miles downrange from the launch site at an altitude of 6.6 miles.
Atlantis Houston, go at throttle up.
Copy, go at throttle up.
1 minute, 25 seconds into the flight, the 3 liquid-fueled engines are now back at full throttle. About 35 seconds away now from burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters aboard the orbiter. Atlantis is 12.5 miles downrange from the launch site. Current altitude 18 miles, traveling 2,300 miles per hour. The hydraulic systems, all 3 of those APUs, auxiliary power units, are in good shape, as are the electricity-producing fuel cells, standing by for SRB separation. SRB separation is confirmed 2 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight.